Cardano cost genuinely equivalent to $0.4036 a coin, which generally is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.4023 to 0.4063. The earlier day close, 0.4048, which in a real sense is very critical. The change explicitly was 0.0012, 0.30%, which sort of is very huge. Opposite rate, USD to ADA. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they generally thought. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.40. For the most part greatest 0.43, least 0.37, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.41, all things considered, most extreme 0.44, by and large least 0.38 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.42, by and large most extreme 0.45, sort of least 0.39 amazingly. Cardano figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.43, extremely greatest 0.46, truly least 0.40, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.42, by and large greatest 0.45, exceptionally least 0.39, or so they generally thought. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $0.41, essentially most extreme 0.44, kind of least 0.38, showing how Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.42, really most extreme 0.45, especially least 0.39 in an unpretentious way. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.40, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.43, kind of least 0.37. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.38, most extreme 0.41, sort of least 0.35 in an unpretentious way. Cardano figure on Friday, May 12, cost $0.36, essentially greatest 0.39, lovely least 0.33, or so they fundamentally thought. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.37, especially most extreme 0.40, certainly least 0.34, showing that in about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.37, greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.36, greatest 0.39, essentially least 0.33, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.36, fundamentally most extreme 0.39 in every practical sense, least 0.33 in an essentially significant way. Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40, especially least 0.34, or so they certainly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.38, in every practical sense, greatest 0.41, especially least 0.35. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, May 22, cost $0.40, really greatest 0.43, by and large least 0.37, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.40, lovely most extreme 0.43, by and large least 0.37, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.40, fundamentally most extreme 0.43, least 0.37. So in 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $0.40, kind of greatest 0.43, exceptionally least 0.37 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.41, kind of greatest 0.44 in every way that really matters, least 0.38. Especially further appearance how Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.41, fundamentally most extreme 0.44, least 0.38, which basically is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.41, certainly most extreme 0.44, exceptionally least 0.38, showing how the earlier day close, 0.4048 in an unpretentious way. In about a month, Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.41, really most extreme 0.44, all things considered, least 0.38. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.41, by and large greatest 0.44, especially least 0.38, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to ADA swapping scale pretty equivalent to 2.4777 coins per $1, which generally shows that Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.43, sort of greatest 0.46, exceptionally least 0.40, or so they really thought. Today, S reach 2.4612 minus 2.4857, which essentially is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0073, plus 0.30%. USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 2.500 coins, especially most extreme 2.703, least 2.326, which is genuinely critical. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.439 coins, lovely greatest 2.632, really least 2.273, which generally shows that Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.38, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.41, truly least 0.35 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.381 coins, beautiful greatest 2.564, for the most part least 2.222, exhibiting that Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.37, sort of most extreme 0.40, certainly least 0.34, which in a real sense is very huge. USD to ADA forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.326 coins, kind of most extreme 2.500, least 2.174, showing how Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.36, by and large greatest 0.39, really least 0.33, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 2.381 coins, most extreme 2.564, sort of least 2.222, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to ADA forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 2.439 coins, genuinely most extreme 2.632, genuinely least 2.273. Exhibiting how USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.326 coins, truly greatest 2.500, lovely least 2.174, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.36, by and large most extreme 0.39, beautiful least 0.33 in a fundamentally significant way. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.381 coins, really greatest 2.564, certainly least 2.222, which generally is genuinely huge. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.500 coins, essentially most extreme 2.703, kind of least